Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by disabling automatic placement so you control icon positions. Right-click the desktop, open View, and uncheck Auto Arrange and Align to Grid. This lets you drag freely. Once done, make sure icons are visible and unlocked. Confirm icon spacing fits your screen resolution and scale. If you're on a work PC, verify you have permission to change desktop layout, otherwise changes may revert. Now, pick an icon and prepare to place it where it will be most useful to you. You drag icons with the pointer, but for precision use a few techniques. Click and hold to move, while dragging, hold Shift to avoid snapping on some systems. For exact placement, click the icon once and nudge with the arrow keys. Each press moves it a few pixels. If you need grid-like alignment, re-enable Align to Grid briefly and adjust spacing in display settings, then disable again. Make sure multiple monitors are configured. Drag icons across screens and verify scaling remains consistent. You finish by preserving your layout. Use built-in export methods or a small utility to save icon coordinates so you can restore them after updates. If icons revert, first re-enable Auto Arrange and Align to Grid to get a stable baseline, then disable again and restore your saved layout. Troubleshoot persistent resets by checking sync features, group policy on managed machines, or cloud desktop settings. If a policy forces layout, contact your administrator. One key tip: log out and back in to confirm changes persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.